The 4-day mega food event, World Food India 2024, concluded on Saturday at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Over these 4 days, the Meghalaya Pavilion emerged as a key attraction. A major highlight was the launch of Meghalaya collectives, which garnered significant interest from leading food processors in Vietnam. In a boost for state entrepreneurs, the pavilion facilitated discussions with notable companies such as Zepto, Big Basket, Lulu Group International, PepsiCo, Patanjali, Mother Dairy, and National Cooperative Organic Limited (NCOL). Union Minister of Food Processing Industries Chirag Paswan and Dr. Ashish Kumar Bhutani, IAS Secretary, Ministry of Cooperation, visited the pavilion on Saturday and recommended the initiatives of Meghalaya government, assuring central support.
Center is always there to help you in all your initiatives. I really like the look and the feel of your pavilion. You have actually got the feel of Meghalaya and the way you are growing, especially in the sector of food processing. I mean, we as the center government is 100% there with you to help you in all your initiatives.
Assistant Director Horticulture and Marketing Jowai Demansan Lingdo, speaking to Meghalaya Assembly Channel, informed that the government of Meghalaya's effort were appreciated at many levels.
During the last 4 days, it was very good participation. Like even the entrepreneurs, like they learn by interacting with other industries, with other farms, and with other FPOs who have done like better. So like you see, I have interacted with many of them. They said that yes, it's a great learning for them. Like some of them, they have learned how to develop a good packaging. Then by seeing others from this show, then and also like many have appreciated the effort put up by government of Meghalaya also by launching this Meghalaya Collective brand. Even the Union Minister of Food Processing, he has praised, like he has appreciated the effort put up by government of Meghalaya. So overall it's a very good learning. We have got serious buyers who are interested in our products. They have also appreciated the packaging which we have done under the Meghalaya Collective, and also some of the entrepreneurs also, like there are feedback which they have to improve on some of the levels like packaging, then the way it is some of the standards which they have to fulfill. So overall is a very good learning, and which they want to take back when they go back to the state. It's unique. It's a very unique kind of initiative, which other government, right from the union ministries, like they are very they appreciate this initiative, because many of the farmers or the entrepreneurs will not have that bandwidth to do this. Branding is a costly affair. So by doing this, like many of the entrepreneurs, the FPO, the cooperative societies will get the support of the government, like in branding, packaging, testing. So that is like the support which the farmers can get, and a lot of visitors and our officials and the firms and buyers, they appreciate the idea, and it's, I think when we go back, we got the feedback also and learning also what we need to improve, because like we have launched a product and we have to sustain it, like time to time we need to keep on like updating ourselves, like for in marketing, then in promotion. So these are the things which we learn that we still have to we have to take. as we move ahead.
Entrepreneurs from the state who participated in the event also expressed that attending the program was a great opportunity for them.
I started Naki around 2022, 2 years from now, and we are into we are into spices business, and we are pivoting to snacks. And we are our main motto is to bring the flavors and the taste of Meghalaya globally. So
Have you attended this World Food program before?
no, I haven't. This is my first time.
So, since you came to India for the first time in this program, how was your experience?
Yeah.
How was your experience being showcasing your products?
Yeah, being here I think it's very good for a startup like us, getting so many exposure, meeting potential customer, stakeholder, and there are some investors also, and then there are many foreign countries who are interested in our product. They are interested into importing our product into their countries, and yeah, thankfully to the Directorate of Food Processing giving us this opportunity, and it's much. I think the government should keep doing all this so that it will be helpful for every startup like me.
The government had launched the Meghalaya Collective and also signed an MOU. Would these initiatives be benefiting you as an entrepreneur?
I wouldn't say like 100% benefit, but yeah, at some point it will help us. It will be like they will be using our product on the back of like a back office, let's say. But yeah, I think it's a good idea. But yeah,
As a startup, what are the main challenges that you face?
the biggest challenge is let's say, see when it comes to quality. When it comes to quality, we have the best quality, but we have lag in production. And we got production also. The sales will be a bit difficult for us because as we locate in like a small state of India, just like Meghalaya. So in order to expand our product, we have to be like in northern state and western state like Gujarat, Maharashtra, North India. So basically, if we want to get into their market, but they don't. The market is so like cruel nowadays, so it's very difficult for us, a new startup like us, to get into the market. So that's the biggest problem.
What can the government do to help you scale up your business?
I think, according to me, maybe I'm wrong or I don't know, but I think a government should bring one platform. Let's say, for example, Meghalaya store or something, where all our startup can sell there and focus more on marketing and advertising, because we need to educate all over India that Meghalaya product is good quality. So I think government should work on that, like to bring a platform where we can sell all our product, basically like a small Amazon, or where we can sell our product there.
Bang, आपका नाम बता सकती है और आपका ब्रांड के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं?
मेरा नाम जेशीले ए संगमा है। मेरा ब्रांड का नाम है SNJ होममेड प्रोडक्ट। मैं मेघालय गारो हिल्स से आया है, साउथ वेस्ट गारो संपत्ति से आया है। अभी मैं यहाँ लाया है जैकफ्रूट चिप्स, जैकफ्रूट मिक्सचर, टमारिन स्वीट बॉल एंड गूसबेरी स्वीट कैंडी।
आपका ये यहाँ आना वर्ल्ड फूड इंडिया ये प्रोग्राम दिल्ली में आना, ये क्या आपका पहली बार है आना?
हाँ, ये मेरी पहली बार है।
आपको कैसा लगा यहाँ पे आकर आप ये प्रोडक्ट्स को शोकेस करने के लिए?
Yan unas kang pa iba naman na nina ang namin rasong nang pa ngin ka ya no agsa kamuk ni chaani rang ko misok anio ang ba saksang pai ya no misok naman na niya ang namin rasun sabihan ni nga yan ang as kang pa isok magtela aro ang kawatat ka pa office ni mandirang ko ba nga magtela ndake ang ni boss turang ko agsa kamuk ni platform mo ang ba saksang na misok pa naman na nina longin rasong cha.
My name is Julius Sangma. I'm coming from Garo Hills, North Garo Hills, and state of Meghalaya. And we are producing. We have got this farmer productions. This is our productions, Rongpuchak, OPCS. That means OPCS means this is Organic Producer Cooperative Society. And with the help of government initiative. They help us to come here and to show our products in the World Food Exhibition Show here in New Delhi. So today we are showing our productions packets. This mainly we have to show this black peppers and pineapples. So in this time we have got raw. We don't have raw pineapples. So we are bringing these pineapple jams, and besides we are also producing Jaha rice and Jaha sticky rice. At present, we are just starting from 2022. We have registered in a concern departments, and then we are coming here by the initiated by the government of Meghalaya, and we have to show our products here, mainly the black peppers and pineapples and other products like Jaha rice and black beanie rice, and whatever the raw materials is available. Besides, we are also producing this is jackfruits, pickles, fried these things, and then these are the main crops which we have to produce, and our farmers is consists of 864 farmers in our society.
So by participating in this event, have you received any new opportunities?
Yes, I'm glad to learn that it is I have lots of business is here. So we have to learn lots of things. We have to get the business and transactions of lots of business here.
Sir, from the government of Meghalaya, an MOU was signed with NCOL. Will that MOU benefit you as an entrepreneur, sir?
Yes. At present, we are with the help of government side, the concerned department is horticulture department is taking initiative and encouraging us to promote us and the farmers products.
Kerteng jonga kadai rina nongrum ngadai na saukwan but ngadai na ESSG member kerteng ka group jonga kadai ka umpoliu but ngadai na kanangesan VO ngahap ha musning block but ka brand jonga kadai ka mewan banshan food processing. Ho haka jing sisa ngalawan haka program jong kana World Food India ha Guwahati men ha unisnya maklam yo banwan ha Delhi mo te mantai sisen ngala yo biang kala long asin hak bangawan ni kana ka World Food India.
Ila showcase ya ki products hamne ha World Food India ki yo jinyarap jo yo jimuntoi ya ki yo any new opportunities mo ya ki display ya ki products jo ni.
Haka jing sisa ngi hasilong lalong ngidang dunabun ya ka leveling. Lada yakran siya pangka packaging ngiyo ki bilor ngiyo ki pounds ngiyo baro hakaliang ka leveling ngimpat biang. Haman naki program ngisya yo kajing kento ba ngiduna palat ya ka leveling. Ngimpat yo ya ka leveling ka babiang. Teda ka deng ba kajingwan jongi haki kumkini ki program ya kendu ya ki babun ki kiba wan mo kiban yakren yangi syapangka leveling te kane menta sisin ngalayo sibun kajing yarap namarba iladon iwe isa iba wan ay yang ahi daki kenja leveling mo kiba ila ngala ban order na i te kade kajing yarap yang asibun.
Nakalian ka government side bagi sedang kini initiative for marketing gitu kan Meghalaya collectives badon ba sign ka MOU kini ki new initiative na government kin sayarap iti ko
Ngatharay kin sayarap namar katne nga kiu subu ngan su ang kniat katne nga kiu katne nga long lengba kajing yarap ka sarkar mo ka PMFME scheme nga layo nata ka zero interest scheme nga layo lada mdei kajing yarap jongki kamut banga ngan long ei lanengan nom laban le ei du.
With initiatives like Meghalaya Collectives and the signing of MOU with NCOL, the state is positioning itself as a key player in India's organic farming and food processing industries.